U.S. stocks have turned higher this Tuesday, and speaking of higher, we're going to say hi to our friend from GTS, Mike P. Hey, Mike, welcome to the show.
Good afternoon, Liv. How are you?
Nice to have you on. I am great. How are you doing?
Excellent, thank you.
All right, so for starters, how relative are these FANG stocks to the broader market?
So you saw going right into the beginning of 2018, the FANG ripping, right? Stocks reaching all-time highs. You're seeing the FANG lead the market or, wag the tail of the dog. Over the last 3 weeks, right, all of a sudden there's talk about possible regulation. There's talk about data breach. All of a sudden, traders and investors are using that as an excuse probably to take some money off the table, profit taking, and now we're seeing a little bit of pressure in the FANG. Along with pressure in the FANG, that's causing some pressure in the overall market again, where that's leading the market a little bit lower and you're seeing some profit taking.
All right, now let's talk econ, because last month you said that NFP was going to be a big market mover, which it was. Is this Friday's data going to be as significant as last time?
So, we talked about that the holiday job number, and if that was sustainable going forward, right? And if those were just seasonal jobs, and it proved to be. Right now, with that, the market causing a little bit of a pullback now, people want to know what's going on in the economy. That NFP number, is the state of the U.S. labor market, and then also, a state of the economy. So people are going to use that and be paying attention to it on Friday again to see, is the market red hot? Is the labor market hot? Or is it starting to cool down?
Well, what's been hot are earnings, right? And that's right around the corner. What are your expectations?
So we got earnings coming out in a week and a half, and we're going to dive into earnings season right now. There is money on the sideline. Just seeing this market, trade around that 200-day moving average in the S&P. So there is buy side out there, but with that sell-off, the money is on the sidelines. And what's going to be with earnings season, everyone's going to not only focus on the earnings, it's going to be the guidance going forward. It's going to be very important because that's where, tariffs going to come into play and regulation is going to come into play. So it really isn't going to affect the earnings that are coming out right now. It's going forward, and what's that guidance?
Well, we started with a high, and now you're talking buy side, so I'm going to say buy on that note. Thanks, Mike P. See you next Tuesday.
Take care. Have a great day.